Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about Maddalena Casulana. I hope I'm saying that right. I could totally not be, but it's worth a try, right? So, the life of Maddalena Casulana. She was born in 1544 in Italy. In her lifetime, she had 3 books of madrigals, and these 3 books were the first 3 books of madrigals to be printed by a woman. And within those 3 books, there were a total of 66 madrigals. Her compositions were so well known and desired that in 1568, the Duke of Munich, William V, paid for her to make an appearance at his wedding where her compositions would be performed. Casulana was a woman that was very desired. In 1569, Antino Molino, an actor and writer, dedicated a songbook to her, saying that she was the inspiration for his writings. Casulana and Molino actually spent some time together, and Casulana kind of, tutored him in how to write and how to compose. And after spending some time with her, Molino was so captivated by her writing styles and her compositions that he decided to, or felt moved to write a songbook dedicated completely to her. Casulana's second book of madrigals was printed in 1570 in dedication to a Milanese official whose wife was a very well-known singer. Her name was Isabel, and she was just kind of one of those big names at the time when it came to performing. So the music of Casulana. Casulana's music was kind of controversial in a sense. She was daring with her harmonies. She used unexpected harmonies and chromaticism. She often experimented with different styles and ranges. And though she had very daring styles to her and wanted to explore music in general, her music failed to have much rhythmic and melodic differences, so they tended to kind of sound the same. But this was often overlooked due to her very, very distinct style. And here I just have a copy of one of her madrigals that was from her first book of madrigals. I really think this is interesting because it's very similar to some of the madrigals that we have looked at in class, especially I like looking at the way that it's dictated, and it's just very cool. And then here I have a recording of somebody performing one of her madrigals. And what I really, really love about that performance or that madrigal is basically how you can just tell the different ranges of each part that's written in the madrigal and the chromaticism and the dissonance that's in there. It's really cool how during that time that wasn't a very big deal, or that wasn't a very big thing, to have a whole lot of dissonance in your harmonies. And I think it was just very daring of her to write music that, had dissonance and resolution, and she was just a diva. She just did what she wanted. And these are my sources for the things in my PowerPoint. So yeah, that was Maddalena Casulana.